Are your go-to Crescent rolls secretly full of junk? Many brands you trust have swapped real butter for cheap oils and weird additives. We're talking ingredients that don't belong in your pantry, let alone your food. Get ready to find out which common brands are failing big time and which ones are truly made with good stuff. That can of Crescent rolls you've bought for years. It's probably not the same recipe you remember. But here's the good news. That same test found one clear winner that every single taster loved because it tasted like real butter. So today, we're going to show you which brands are failing and which ones get it right. We're naming the 8 worst offenders you need to avoid and the 4 amazing brands made with the good stuff. Number 1. Pillsbury Original Crescent Rolls. This one might be a shock, since it's the brand most of us grew up with. But in a major blind taste test from the Food Site All Recipes, the classic Pillsbury dough came up short. It actually won for the best appearance. It looked perfect. But when it came to flavor, tasters said it just didn't quite taste as good as the others. The winner was praised for a real butter taste that didn't feel fake, which is exactly the problem here. It's a classic case of a product that looks right but tastes artificial. But if you think a fake flavor is bad, the next brand on our list is even more disappointing. Number 2. Great Value Crescent Rolls. Now this one is confusing. In a blind taste test, it was actually the runner-up. But even then, tasters said the buttery flavor felt artificial and the texture was slightly gummy. But here's where it gets worse. Online, real customers tell a completely different story. People have called them ineditably terrible, with a very chemical Y taste and an aftertaste that lasts all day. They say the dough is lumpy, wet, and gluey, suggesting the quality has recently dropped off a cliff. A chemical flavor is a huge red flag, but our next brand has a different problem hiding inside. Number 3. Kroger Crescent Rolls. Kroger's Crescent Rolls fall into a classic store brand trap. In blind taste tests, people immediately pointed out that the buttery flavor tastes completely artificial. And that's a huge red flag. Across the board, shoppers are noticing a strange, chemical Y aftertaste in many store brands, suggesting a recent switch to cheaper, synthetic ingredients. That fake butter flavor isn't just disappointing. It's a sign of what's really hiding inside these tubes. But while some brands are just low quality, the next one on our list is actively trying to trick you. Number 4. Signature Select Crescent Rolls. This is a classic bait and switch. Customers are complaining that brands like this have secretly changed their recipe for the worse. People describe the dough as dry, cracking, and smelling funny when it bakes. As one reviewer put it, it's not crescent roll dough anymore. This points to a shift towards cheaper, synthetic ingredients to save money. The companies are hoping you won't notice, but the awful texture and strange aftertaste give it away. But a bad recipe is one thing. The next brand has an even bigger problem hiding in plain sight. Number 5. Market Pantry Crescent Rolls. This is Target's house brand, and the problem is hiding in plain sight. You have no idea who actually makes it. The real issue isn't one specific ingredient. It's the total lack of transparency. Store brands like this can switch suppliers at any time to get a cheaper deal. That means one week you might get decent rolls, but the next, you could get a tube of that dry, cracking dough that bakes up tasting like chemicals. There's zero consistency and no accountability. You're just rolling the dice every time you shop. But while a quality gamble is bad, our next brand involves a straight-up health risk. Number 6. Immaculate Baking Crescent Rolls. This one seems like it should be the good guy, with organic right on the label. But the real danger here isn't a hidden chemical. It's that you're paying a premium for the worst product on the shelf. In a blind taste test by All Recipes, Immaculate Baking Rolls were the undisputed loser, coming in dead last. Tasters described them as the gummiest, driest, and blandest of the bunch. Even the food writer running the test was shocked, admitting it was the brand he used to stock at home. The organic label just can't save a bad recipe. But if paying more for a terrible product is bad, our next brand is a straight-up imposter. Number 7. Trader Joe's Crescent Rolls. So, why did we call this one an imposter? Because it's an imposter on our list of bad brands. That's right, we're finally getting to the good stuff, and Trader Joe's is so incredible, it feels like it's in a different league entirely. In a blind taste test by All Recipes, this one was the hands-down winner. In fact, every single taster ranked it as number 1. The food writer running the test, who's been doing it for a decade, said that has never happened before. Trader Joe's sets a high bar, But our next real butter pick is a classic you can find almost anywhere. Number 8. Publix Crescent Rolls. If you were bummed that Trader Joe's is a seasonal treat, this is your answer. Publix delivers that high-quality, real butter experience, but you can find it on the shelf year-round. This is a store brand that gets it right. Forget that fake, oily butter flavor from the cheap brands. This one has a rich, authentic taste because it uses the real stuff. The dough is soft and flaky, not dry or chemical-wide. It's a simple, classic recipe that proves a store brand can be amazing. Number 9. Dufour Classic Puff Pastry, all butter. Alright, this one isn't your typical crescent roll in a can. It's a step into the gourmet world. Dufour is what professional chefs often use, and it's because the ingredients are incredibly simple. There are no preservatives, no fake butter flavor, nothing you can't pronounce. It's just all butter, flour, water, and salt. That's it. This creates a pastry with hundreds of light, flaky layers that melt in your mouth. It's a premium product, but it shows you what's possible when you use real, high-quality ingredients. Number 10. Just Roll All Butter Puff Pastry. If you want that perfect, bakery-quality crescent roll experience at home, this is your brand. Because it uses simple, honest ingredients, you get a rich, authentic taste without any of the chemical aftertaste we found in the bad brands. It proves you can get gourmet quality in an easy, ready-to-use roll. So now you know the 4 best brands to look for. But what if none of them are at your store? We've got you covered. Number 11. Trader Joe's All Butter Puff Pastry. This is your secret weapon when you're standing in the aisle and can't find any of our other top picks. It's a simple sheet of puff pastry made with real butter, and it's a perfect example of the quality you get from Trader Joe's. In fact, in a blind taste test from all recipes, their crescent rolls did something amazing. Every single taster ranked them as number 1. The reviewer, with 10 years of experience, said a unanimous vote like that had never happened before. People loved the genuinely buttery flavor and flaky, light texture. That's the same commitment to quality you get here, making this a reliable and delicious backup plan from a brand you can trust. But even with the perfect dough, there's one common mistake that can ruin everything. We'll cover that next. Number 12. Wawaka European-style puff pastry. So what's the biggest mistake you can make? It's starting with a dough that's loaded with cheap, artificial ingredients. And that's where Wawaka comes in. Their European-style puff pastry is a perfect example of what to look for. It's built on a simple list of ingredients with real butter right at the center. This is why it bakes up so incredibly light and flaky, without that weird chemical aftertaste that ruins so many of the cheaper brands. It's a solid, reliable choice that proves real ingredients make all the difference.